This little light is gonna go on our ST in the back, and it's a smoked one compared to the clear one. And we're excited because this should be a straightforward install. So let's go and get started. Okay guys, this is the OEM third rear top brake light, and this is how it looks like on, and this is the brake off. So here is our light, and we have two screws, and I'm using a T27 little torque socket thingy, and we're gonna go ahead and take one off. Since there's glass underneath here, we just wanna make sure we're careful. Now there's something unique about this light. If you look right here, it's like a little system for condensation in water, so we have to take that in consideration. So we're going to pull it out, and we have two things we need to disconnect. We need to disconnect the actual connector. We're just going to push down and put out. And then we have the drain pipe. I see it separating here, so let's go ahead and just separate it. Boom, just like that. And it's off. All right, we're just gonna make sure everything's nice and clean before we put the new one in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and connect our drain, and then we're gonna connect our connector. And we got the smoke lens installed, and guys, it definitely looks a lot better. And this is how it looks when it's turned on. So you could still see the light, it looks nice, but the smoke look definitely looks really good. And this is definitely a win. We're gonna put the link in the description for this because this is a total win, a simple DIY, simple install, and honestly, a must-have for the Focus ST. And make sure you check out our other videos in our playlist. We have a lot more Ford Focus ST videos. All right, guys,